let's try to connect with our expert and know that for tomorrow, which is a monthly options expiry for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, how is he seeing the markets going ahead? With this, let me welcome on board Ruchit Jain, lead research at 5paisa.com. Very good afternoon, Ruchit. And what sort of a recovery that we have seen in the market so for tomorrow? How are you placing yourself? Do you believe that 19,700 will be defended on Nifty 50 index? And what about Bank Nifty? How do you look at that particular index?
Yes, hi, very good afternoon. Well, I think today we witnessed a very smart recovery from that support of 19,600 to 19,550 zone. And what we saw that in last few trading sessions, the market has already been through this corrective phase from 20,200. And the momentum readings on the hourly charts were quite oversold. So one pullback move has already been seen today. But if you look at the options data, then 19,600, even 19,600 put writers in the second half of the session were quite active, and we witnessed good amount of open interest addition in this ports. So I think for tomorrow's session, now the downside should be limited. Any corrective dip should find support around the 19,650 mark, and we might see an attempt to rally higher towards 19,800, where highest call writing positions are there. Importantly, the mid cap index, and although in last 1 week we have seen that the Nifty has seen a correction of about 600, 700 points, but the mid-cap index has not breached its 20 EMA support, which has been acting as a support since last 4 to 5 months. So in this entire uptrend since the month of April, the 20 EMA has been defended in the Nifty mid-cap, and that still remains intact. So there is no broader market selling seen, and that's why we are witnessing a buying interest as the market comes around the support. So we would advise traders to trade with a positive bias. Any kind of dips towards 19,650 tomorrow morning should be bought into. Keep stop loss below 19,600 and expect targets around 19,800.
Well, stop loss below 19,600 level. That's the word coming in from Ruchit. Good afternoon, Ruchit. This is Lisa on the other side. So the market saw a V-shaped recovery, and from then it moved one side upwards. But what will be your picks in this kind of market to be shared with the viewers?
Yeah, very good afternoon, Lisa. So I have a couple of buy recommendations. One is heavyweight and one is a cap stock. I'll start with the heavyweight first, which is a buy call in HUL. So I'm taking a bit contra call and on HUL over here, although this stock has been an underperformer since last 2.5 months. But we are witnessing formation of a falling wedge pattern on the daily chart, and this pattern is usually formed at the end phase of the correction. So I think the downside seems to be quite limited from current levels. A pullback move at least should be expected. So traders can go long with stop loss below 2460 and expecting targets around 2560 in next few days. And from the mid cap price, NCC is my buy recommendation over here, where a good price volume action has been seen in last couple of trading sessions. Although today the stock didn't participate much on the higher side, but I think today's pullback move has been with lower volumes compared to the high volumes that we witnessed yesterday. So this dip should be used as a good buying opportunity, and NCC can be bought with stop below 150 for potential near-term targets around 173.
Okay, so 2 buy recommendations coming in from Ruchit. Thank you so much, Ruchit, for joining us today on ET Now. With this, we'll go on that. But with this, viewers, let's move on, and it's time